Welcome to An Alternate Hue. I'm Hugh Anderson, and this is what caught my attention just today. The UN's Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change issued its first major review since 2013 and comes less than 3 months before the next major climate summit in Glasgow, Scotland. The report has concluded that human activity is changing the climate at an unprecedented rate. The report has been described as a code red for humanity by its authors. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change is stern and blunt in its conclusions. Quote, "It's unequivocal that human influence has warmed the atmosphere, the oceans, and land," unquote. The IPCC is a grouping of scientists whose findings are endorsed by the world's governments. It warns of increasingly extreme heat waves, droughts, and flooding, and a key temperature limit being broken inside the next decade. This means that the world will hit 1.5 degrees warming much earlier than expected, possibly by the middle of 2034, says the report. However, the scientists say a catastrophe can be avoided if the world acts fast and with deep cuts to the emissions of greenhouse gases, which could stabilize rising temperatures. And scientists are hopeful that global emissions can be cut by 2030 and reach net zero by the middle of this century. Now that they've got that off their collective chests, let's do some digging. In my next 3 alternate hues, you guessed it, I'm going to play devil's advocate, with a little help from a much smarter person than me. So stay tuned for an alternate hue coming soon to you.